Hi, folks. I hope everyone is well. Just wanted to remind you that the final drafts of your final argumentative essay are due tonight by 11:59 p.m. I will start grading them, assigning grades tomorrow. As I said in my previous video, I should have responded with critiques of your finals, of your rough drafts for the final essay. So I'm not going to comment on the final drafts. I'm just going to assign grades. I also wanted to say Kwaheri, which is Swahili for goodbye. And it was a pleasure having all of you in class. I hope you learned a lot, particularly about the African continent. I've been teaching this particular course for more than 15 years now. And so a lot of students have passed through this particular course. And I hope they've learned a lot. And all I ask is that if you hear people talking in myths or stereotypes about Africans or the African people, that you politely correct them. And so hopefully that knowledge gets disseminated exponentially throughout Colorado and the rest of the world. Anyway, it was a pleasure having all of you in class, and thanks for all your hard work. Enjoy the rest of your summer and stay healthy. Goodbye.